Okay, so let's start with the webinar. So our main first slide is about the hidden cost of business software. So many of the clients and many of the SME industries who buys the software, who purchase the software with the just only look at the price tag of the software, but there are some hidden costs which are there in the software cost, which are upfront fees, per usage fees, feature upgrades, customization cost, vendor control, and many more. So the key takeaway points from the this slide would be, whenever you are purchasing a software, just look beyond the price tag. That will help you to calculate the total cost of ownership, and which will also help you to make a faster decision, make a proper decision, and which will also leads to save money and improve your efficiency. So this slides only says about that itself. So most of the business only look at the visible cost of the software, the price tag of the product, but under the surface is what truly adds up over the period of time. So you need to think about each and every cost whenever you're buying a software.